how to connect PC1, PC2 with the server as a work group, so they can share their files and documents and stuff. So I'm gonna do it step by step. Let's do it together. Please do not forget to subscribe and subscribe the channel, and please I will put my email at the description. If you guys have a question, please let me know. I will be contact with you guys back. So the first thing, I have a virtual machine here with the server PC2, PC1. So I'm trying to connect connect server PC2, PC1 together as a work group. The first thing, you guys have to make a virtual switch manager to connect these three. A virtual switch manager is like a real switch. Like when we need to connect our computers together, we need to have a switch to communicate with each other, or like a hub or other devices. So I already made a switch here. If you guys see here, I already made as an IT, or I made it in NATO 2, but I don't need to make another one. You guys come here, say as a new virtual network switch, click private, click on create virtual switch, give it a name, and make it as a private, and apply. So I don't need to make. You can guys make it. So over here, I have the first thing I have to. I'm turning. My server is already on, so I'm turning on my PC2. So the meantime, when I do my server, these two will be ready. It takes time. I don't want to take your time. So on a server, so this is my server. The first thing we do, we come to the file explorer. We go to this PC, right click on the PC, go properties, change settings, and to come to change, press the change button, put a computer name. So this is a server. I'm gonna name it as a server, SRV. So for the future, I will explain domain, but for now, we are going to as a work group. Work groups means share some computers together as a work group. So I want to change my work group as a NADO, or whichever you like, you can put it for that. Press OK. After this, they will ask you about the restart your computer. The following error occurs relating the name NADO specific work group name is invalid. I think I had the before NATO, so I'm gonna change that one to Hayat. Okay. The computer will ask for the restart. So close, restart it now. So the meantime, when it's getting ready, we have to apply the same procedure to PC1 and PC2. So let's finish the server, then we go step by step. Administrator, we have to, I will type the password. Next step, you need to come here, go to the network, right click on properties, we go to the advanced sharing files. Over here you have to turn on the private. Do not forget, you have to turn on the private. Don't turn it off, it doesn't work. Same thing this one, same thing another one. All these things close. This the third thing, we need to go here, turn off all Windows firewalls. If you can see, I turn it off. By how to turn it off, you just come here to turn Windows on or off. You press turn off, turn off. Again, Windows firewall, yeah. Turn it off, and OK. So after this, back to the change adapter settings. Right click here, properties, IPv4 properties. So over here, it's already has a IP. I'm gonna just give it another IP, 192. Sorry, 192.168.0.1. Subnet mask is class C. Whichever subnet mask you want 240 or 220, depends on you how many clients you wanna assign. So I will say 240. I don't need too much. Say OK and close. So my server is done. I'm gonna close this one, close this one, close this one, minimize. I'm going to PC2. When we come to PC2, we click on File Explorer, right click on this PC, Properties, same thing. Do not change the PC name from here. You have to go down, go to the Advanced. Name this PC in Advanced, press on Change, give it a name. So this is PC2. I will give it PC2. Our work group was Hayat. OK. Again, it will ask me to restart the computer. I will restart it. The good thing is you can apply the same procedure from server PC1, PC2. Next step will be coming back to the File Explorer, right click on Network Properties, change adapter settings, properties, IPv4, give it the IP. This IP will be 192.168.0.11. with subnet mask of 255.255.255.240. So we're gonna close this one. Change adapter settings. Sorry, change advanced sharing file. Try to turn on all these settings and turn off the firewall. So the firewall is off. You can turn it off, turn it on here. Try to turn it off. Okay. Close. Close. This is good. PC2. Same procedure. Come File Explorer, right click on this PC, Properties. Come to the Advanced System Settings, Computer Name, Chain Name, PC1, Workgroup HAYAT. It depends on you, whichever you want. Okay, press OK. Ask you for the restart. Restart the computer. File Explorer. Right click on Network, Properties. Change adapter setting, right click, Properties. Same procedure, come here, press the IP for it, 192.168.0.12, with the subnet was 255.255.255.240. Say OK. Close. Close. Do not forget to turn off the firewall. It's already off. You can turn it off on here from here. Oops, sorry, we missed one thing. And advanced sharing, try to turn on all these steps. Cancel. Cancel. So I'm all good. When I go to the server, when we come to the server, we when we come to the server, we go to the File Explorer, click on the network. You will be see all the PCs that's connected to the server. See PC2, PC1. If I go to the PC1, come to File Explorer, click on Network, you will be able to see those PCs. Sometimes it doesn't show you. There will be a pop-up message if you didn't turn on the settings from the network settings. So there will be a yellow notification. Press that one and say yes. It's gonna show up for you. Same thing with the Windows PC2. If we come here, network, you will be able to see PC1, PC2 server. If you go here, right click here, I will say folder, name, share, folder, and I will put file, I will say notepad. Close, save, right click on this one, properties, share this folder, say everyone. No need to put any security, just share it, and other PCs will be able to see that file. Go to the server, come here, see those PC2. Oh, asking me to put the username and password to connect with that one. So it's a very good thing if you don't have a password, so you cannot access their files. I will say I'm gonna use them. Let me see which PC I made a file on PC2. It looks from here, PC2. So I'm gonna go to the server and say PC2. Password is yes. Here you go. You can access that file. Desktop, share folders, file. But one time, if you put a password for it, next time you go here in the network, PC2, you don't need to add a password for it.